How do you keep on going when everything
Good afternoon. Welcome to the wedding commitment celebration of Jeremy and Rachel.
How do you keep on rolling with the punches without something
Jeremy,
to believe?
when I hit the start chat button nearly 10 years ago, I could not have imagined that my future husband would be the one on the other end of the screen. You came into my life unexpectedly when God sensed that I needed you most. At first, I was excited to have a friend who offered me solace from the trials and tribulations that came with being 14. However, within a few weeks, I knew that the term friendship did not encompass all that I was beginning to feel for you.
9 years might be too long, but until this point for some people, but you've made every second worth it. I'm honored to be the one you chose, and I'm ready to make 9 years seem like the blink of an eye. Rachel, you are the best thing that's ever happened to me. From the moment our lives crossed paths, my life has been infinitely better.
I first fell in love with your sense of humor and how you made me laugh. We would stay up for hours talking about nothing and everything all at once, and you were always quick with a joke when you could tell that I needed it.
Our lives together so far have been in several chapters. Us living apart in high school, talking on the phone for hours, us both at college with less time to talk, but we'd always find time.
I fell in love with the passion you demonstrated when talking about the things that you enjoy. From basketball, to video games, to the latest technological developments, you've always had a special way with words.
This could be the moment we've been waiting for, the chance to feel alive. Nothing's gonna stop us, nothing's gonna top this, nothing like we've ever seen.
And me moving up to Indiana to finally live near you, and now being able to finally live together. And I'm so excited to see what the next chapter will bring.
'Cause I feel like dancing high, got a feeling.
Jeremy, I loved you then and I love you now. As we move forward in our journey together as husband and wife, I promise to stand by you as you have stood by me.
I'm so blessed to be the one standing up here with you, and at the end of my life, I'll look back upon today as the greatest decision I ever made, with my only regret being, I wish I could have made it sooner.
Together, we have endured many hardships. Your loyalty, patience, and dedication through it all leave me with no doubt that you will be a great father to our children someday.
Today I stand before you in front of our loved ones to make these promises from the bottom of my heart. I promise to cherish you, support you, and encourage you when you need it most.
I promise that I will love you and keep loving you from now until the end of our time. In the presence of God, I make these vows and take you, Jeremy, as my husband.
I promise to be your confidant, your ally, your rock, your best friend, and to love you unconditionally for the rest of my life. In the presence of God, I make these vows to you.
Jeremy and Rachel, I pronounce them to be husband and wife in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Jeremy, you may kiss your bride.
Just let it out. Stop taking your time with the bad yesterday.
So now for the first time, it's a great pleasure to present to you Mr. and Mrs. White.
For as long as I've known Jeremy, he has been nothing but a genuine, kind-hearted, fun-loving gentleman. Rachel is an incredibly smart woman and someone who's always looking out for others. She cares deeply about everyone she knows, and she has a strong head on her shoulders.
Jeremy, as a wise man, once told me when I asked for Rachel's mother hands in marriage, there are no givebacks. She's yours now. Love and respect that.
Congratulations to you both. I'm so very happy for you both. And I just want to say I love you both very much. And I'm very happy for the both of you. That being said, raise your glasses to many, 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 many years of wet pants.
Congratulations, and I love you. And I'd like to dedicate this toast to you two. So if you all share a glass with me. To Rachel and Jeremy.
And that is both my honor and privilege. Ladies and gentlemen, please raise your glasses and join with me wishing the newlyweds, Jeremy and Rachel Wright, a long, healthy, happy marriage together. Cheers.
Stop taking your time with the bad yesterday. Life is push and pull, you can get through